Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the account so nothing blocks closure. Open the Revolut app, go straight to Settings or Profile and locate Account Options. Once there, check your balance and any pending transfers. Make sure you withdraw or transfer all funds to your external bank, cancel recurring payments, and unlink cards. Keep your ID and recent statements handy because you may need to confirm identity. Once done, proceed to the in-app account closure flow or contact support if you don't see the option. Now execute the detailed steps. Move every penny out, initiate a bank transfer or card refund, and wait for settlement. Cancel any subscriptions tied to Revolut and make sure standing orders are stopped. Pending or failed transfers will prevent closure. Tap Help or Chat in-app and request account closure, then follow verification prompts. Upload ID, photo, or requested documents. The representative or automated flow will confirm and schedule deactivation. Make sure to note any confirmation number or screenshot the chat for your records. Finish by confirming the closure and saving proof. Screenshot the final confirmation, keep emails, and note any case ID. Deactivation can take several days. Monitor the app and your email for completion. If the process stalls, common causes are negative balances, unresolved disputes, or missing verification. Contact support again with your ID, transaction screenshots, and the zero balance statement. That evidence speeds resolution. If needed, escalate through in-app support or request a supervisor to clear holds and finalize account deactivation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.